Looking for that perfect dish that's hearty, as well as tasty, that you can cook in your own kitchen? Well, here at the Side Guy Cooks, I have a one-pot wonder with beef stew with collards. So let's get started. Let's prepare the beef tips. Butter makes everything taste better. Time for the aromatics. Let's build the stew. Did you know that black beans date back over 7,000 years? And they are popular in cuisines of Central and South America. Set your timer for 120 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Let's make the buttermilk cornbread. Set your timer for 25 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Looks great right out of the oven. The stew looks amazing. Let's get a portion in a bowl. Finish with chopped parsley and of course that amazing buttermilk cornbread. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, tender beef tips and smoky pork sausage, simmered slowly with earthy black beans, vibrant collard greens, and a touch of paprika for depth. Served with golden fluffy buttermilk cornbread, this dish is sure to be a crowd pleaser. You and your guests will absolutely love it. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a soul-warming stew. Stay with us, watch the next videos.